Let me show you a practical application of functions and integration. Yuji Itadori lands a black flash on Sukuna and starts healing himself with reversed curse technique. Sukuna expands his domain, Malevolent Shrine, to constantly slash Yuji, but is still winded from the black flash and needs to build up his intensity of damage. If the rate of Yuji's regeneration and Sukuna's damage are modeled with the functions below, where t is seconds, find the time at which Yuji can't match the rate of damage with his regeneration, and the point at which Yuji loses all of his regenerated health and starts taking even more damage. We can start this question by realizing that Yuji regenerates faster than he takes damage initially, but the quadratic rate of damage overtakes his regeneration at some point. We can find when Sukuna's rate of damage is larger than Yuji's regeneration by equating the two expressions as an inequality, and determining the region of time where Yuji regenerates slower than Sukuna damages him. We can then recognize for part B that we've been given the rate equations of both healing and damage, so the actual value of damage taken and health recovered is given by the integration of both curves. We can label the time at which Sukuna outdamages all the healing Yuji was able to do as TD, and integrate both curves up to this point. If Sukuna outdamages Yuji's healing eventually, the point at which they are equal would be the point at which Yuji loses all of his regenerated health and takes even more damage after that. By equating the integration of both curves to this point, we can then find our time TD, where Yuji starts losing health despite using reversed curse technique.